Jaws and the Clam, all that down.
Yeah.
Dan,
Yeah, I like the West Village.
we got a request from one of our longtime fans on the Twitter. Can we have an impromptu Fritzy cough imitation contest?
Okay.
Now, I've never tried it. Fritzy, can you start us off to...
Oh my God.
All right. I'm going to go first because I've never tried it. Not good.
Got to get
No, I
that
can't do it.
bronchial phlegm.
I can't do it. Yeah, there's a honk in it.
Let's go to the...
Seton is the
Let's go to the
king.
favorite.
Is there geese involved?
Yeah, there is geese. Yeah, there you go.
Wait. Now let's go. Close your eyes. Fritzy, you go.
See,
I'm actually lightheaded right now.
Right.
Doing it.
If you do that too many times,
But
in a row,
it's not contagious, and it's getting better.
it's just like a bronchitis, minor pneumonia thing.
you keep saying
Minor pneumonia is like jumbo shrimp,
Early
right?
level.
Like you're sort of pregnant.
Yeah, it's like lobar.
You don't have walking pneumonia, you have like living pneumonia.
You
You're
have,
just
like,
gonna live with
sitting
it for the
pneumonia.
rest of your life.
Yeah. makes
But, hey,
makes for a good night's sleep.
You know what's going to make you feel better? When Shaq calls in today.
Is he calling in today?
The Dan Patrick Show, weekday mornings on Audience.